Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve GCache network error on Android phone. So let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Clear GCache app cache and data. Step 1. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on app management. Step 3. Tap on app list. Step 4. Find and tap on GCache app. Step 5. Tap on storage and cache. Step 6. Tap on clear cache, then clear data and confirm. Solution 2. Update for GCash app. Step 1. Open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on search bar at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Type GCache. Step 4. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, relaunch the app. Solution 3. Delete VPN. Step 1. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on more connection. Step 3. Tap on VPN. Step 4. If you see any active VPN, tap on it and choose forget or disconnect. Solution 4. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix network glitches or memory bugs. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Step 2. Tap on restart. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions can fix the problem for you. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.